Did you know that your phone screen right now as it is secretly broken? Yes, that brand new looking phone with a pristine conditioned screen that has no lines, no scratches, no anything is actually secretly broken and you may not know about it. So let me do a live demo for you to explain what I mean. And now here with me is the Samsung Galaxy A23, but that doesn't matter right now. What matters is the screen. And as you can see, it's a pretty good looking screen, no scratches, nothing too crazy, but it has scratches. So let me just show you. Let me just wipe it down for a bit. Here you go. As you can see, it has some light scratches, nothing too crazy. And there's also some marks from, I don't know how to explain it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Some light scratches, but the screen is pretty good, pretty awesome condition. So this is the device we're going to talk about. This screen is actually secretly broken. It may not look like it, but it actually is. Now what do I mean by this? Your phone right now as it is has a coating on the glass called the oleophobic coating, and this coating creates an oil resistant anti-fingerprint surface that is impervious to dirt, dust, oils and other particulates, resulting in a surface that is easy to clean and maintains a cleaner surface longer than untreated glass. Yes, this is what we're going to talk about today. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the oleophobic coating. Now I'm going to do a live demo to show you exactly how it's supposed to work. And right here, the device has no screen protector, no any other whatever that may hinder this experiment. So this is how it's supposed to be, directly on the glass screen. So I'm just going to get a few drops of water using my syringe here, and I'm going to drop it on top of the screen. Now what's supposed to happen is the water is supposed to glide off like that, but as you can see, the water is getting stuck to some parts. Now this is what I mean when I say your screen is broken. This is not supposed to happen. The water is supposed to bead up and slide all of it away from the screen. So this shows that this side of the screen has a problem. This side has a worn out oleophobic coating, and that's what we're going to work with today. So here with me is a screen protector with an intact oleophobic coating, and I'm going to use this to demonstrate what is actually supposed to happen with a device with an intact coating. Let me just bead up some water, and as you can see, the water just slides off. No friction, no anything. It just beads up and slides off the device. So that's what's supposed to happen, unlike my device over here, which it just sticks on the screen because the coating is basically gone. And so the water has direct contact with the screen since the coating is no longer there to serve as the barrier. So as you can see, it's stuck quite literally, but ladies and gentlemen, don't you worry, this can be fixed and quite easily. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our fix. This is the Nano Invisible Liquid Screen Protector. This is going to act as our oleophobic coating, but ladies and gentlemen, I'm not sure if this is going to work. I'm just going to try this. I heard that this liquid screen protector is basically a glorified oleophobic coating, and I actually don't want to buy the real deal since it's actually quite expensive and not really worth it according to me. So we're just going to work with this, and fingers crossed that it actually works. I'm not really sure if it's going to work, but hey, just going to give it a shot. And if you see this video, chances are it probably did. So here's the product. As you can see, there are some wipes here, dry and wet ones. I believe that's the applicator, and this is the cloth. I'm not sure if it's microfiber, but it's just the cloth. Then here's the applicator, I think. So those are the things that come with the liquid screen protector. And now here's the screen protector up close. As you can see, it's really tiny, like I can't even describe it. Let's say it's like a finger, it's the thickness of a finger basically. Is it thickness or height? Let's say height, the height of a finger, as you can see here. And it's really small. There's no exact millimeters given, so let's assume it's like 3 millimeters or 5 at most. And let me now try and open it. It's quite hard, so give me a moment. I'm just going to open it in a few. But now let's first prepare the device by first wiping it down. First I'm going to use the cloth that came with it. Then next I'm going to use the actual wipes, the wet one first. So now I'm just going to wipe it down, deep, making sure it's really clean. Really clean. And as you can see, some of the liquid has already stuck on the screen. I'm not sure if you saw that. Let me just bring it up close. Let me really rub it off. As you can see, it's quite a pain wiping off liquids, which shows that the coating has really worn off. As you can see here, the water is still stuck on the screen. Even despite using a dry wipe, you can see it needs a little bit more effort to wipe it off. Let me just wipe, finish up. Device looks good as new. We're basically done. Now for the application of the oleophobic coating, I'm going to use instructions from iFixit. They have a good in-depth list of instructions which I'm going to follow, and first of all, they need me to prepare a wiping finger. This is what I'm going to basically use to wipe in the oleophobic coating. Just going to scrub it in using my finger, and I need a polythene paper or whatever to just cover, or a bit of plastic to cover my finger so that it doesn't absorb the liquid. Okay, it's been a few days since I applied the screen protector. Now I'm going to take a moment to show you the device. So here it is. As you can see, looks really great. Nothing strange has happened. There's a few smudges on the screen from the screen protector. I haven't touched the device for like 2 days, so it's fair enough to say that the experiment was followed successfully. But I actually used the device once, and I'm sure you can see some fingerprints on it. I had to get something from the device, so I only used it once, but pretty much that's it. I managed to give it 2 days to cure, and here you see, looks pretty clean, looks pretty great. Let me check it up close. Now I'm going to use a hoodie to wipe it off. I don't have a microfiber cloth near me at the moment, so I'm just going to wipe it off using this. But you're supposed to use a microfiber cloth to wipe out the smudges of the liquid screen protector or the oleophobic coating. So let me just wipe it off. Wow, the screen looks brand new, except the deep scratches. The device looks pretty clean to me, looks almost new, which is just fantastic to see. So guys, there's a chance this thing might have actually worked. Can't wait to try it out. Wow, just look at that. Let me set it down for a bit. Wow, just look at that. It looks really good. I can't even describe it. Wow. Now time for the water test. I have a dropper finally. I managed to get one. As you can see, it's a water dropper. Let me just drop some. Guys, I'm really panicking. I can't wait to see if it works. Let's see. Wow, it just slides off smoothly, like really smoothly. It doesn't stick on the screen like it used to before, and it just slides off, which basically means the experiment is a success. I can't even begin to describe how happy I am right now. Like, it just beads up and slides off. Remember, this is a device where the water used to literally stick on the screen, like it couldn't slide off. Now it just glides off easily. Look at that. Wow. It just beads up and slides off. I can't. Wow. Let me just wipe it off. So guys, this thing has worked. This thing is successful now, and it's fair enough to say that the liquid screen protectors are actually oleophobic coatings. So those 9+ hardness liquid screen protectors are actually the oleophobic coating, which is just crazy to think about. Look at that. Look at how clean it looks. Wow. I really like this. Like, the device feels basically new. So that's pretty much it. The experiment was a success. I'm quite happy. This device was a mess. It used to just, the experiment was a success. I'm happy to say that. So that's all. Thank you for watching. You can try this at home now. So this is basically confirmed. I've given you the tests and shown you how to do it. So go out there, fix your device. And that's all from the video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. Goodbye.